Hey guys, Ralph here, and today we're going to change the trunk lights on our Nissan Kicks. First is you want to grab a tiny screwdriver, preferably a flat screwdriver to pop up the light cover. And there's a small here on the left side where you can pop up the light. So you just need to push this clip and it should come right off. And there's one more clip on the right side that you just need to press so the cover will come right off. And we're going to use this LED light bulb, and this is actually a T10 bulb that you can replace. So just grab it like this. I usually use gloves when I'm grabbing light bulbs, so it's not going to get damaged. Just like that, push the light bulb on the socket itself. Now we're going to change the left rear light. So the same procedure, just pop those cover using a small flathead screwdriver, and then that clip as well, just push it. Then we're going to install this LED light bulb. It's a T10 light bulb. Then turn on the engine to make sure that the orientation of the bulb is good. Then the last step is to put back everything in reverse. And this is with light on. As you can see, those bulbs are very bright. And that's how you replace LED light bulb on your rear trunk of your Nissan Kicks. And if you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.